Dear students, hope you are doing great. By the grace of Almighty, in today's video, you are going to see another trigonometric problem, that is, prove that sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta multiplied by cosec square theta. Let's consider the left hand side. Here, left hand side is equal to sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to, we can write sec square theta as 1 by cos square theta plus, we can write cosec square theta as 1 by sin square theta. If we simplify these two terms, the LCM of cos square theta and sin square theta would be sin square theta multiplied by cos square theta. If we divide LCM by cos square theta, then we get sin square theta, and multiplied by 1 with sin square theta, we get sin square theta plus sin square. If we divide the LCM by sin square theta, then we get cos square theta, and if we multiply cos square theta with 1, then we get cos square theta. We know that according to formula of trigonometry, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal 1. That's why we can write numerator as 1 and denominator is same, that means sin square theta multiplied by cos square theta. Here, see that if you write this term like 1 by cos square theta multiplied by 1 by sin square theta, then we get 1 by cos square theta, that means sec square theta, multiplied by 1 by sin square theta is equal cosec square theta, which is our desired right hand side.